Tired of your hair color fading too fast? Here are the 5 best color depositing conditioners I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, Keracolor Color Plus Clenditioner Merlot. Let's kick things off with the Keracolor Color Plus Clenditioner in Merlot. Priced at $22, this product caught my eye because it's not just a color depositing conditioner, it also cleanses and conditions your hair at the same time. If you want vibrant color without the damage, this is worth a serious look. What makes this one stand out is its unique 3-in-1 formula. The infusion of keratin, rose hips, shea butter, and jojoba oil means you're not just coloring your hair, you're also treating it. This conditioner gently cleans and conditions while depositing color, which is ideal if you're looking to freshen up your look between salon visits. With over 3,000 units sold last month alone, it's clear a lot of people trust this product to keep their color vibrant and healthy. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The non-damaging formula replenishes color without the need for harsh dyes. So if you're worried about your hair becoming dry or brittle, this could be a great choice. The Merlot shade offers a deep, rich hue that can make any hair type look luxurious. Now, some people have complained about the color not being as long-lasting as they hoped. Here's the thing though, I found that while it may fade, it's because it's not packed with harsh chemicals, which is a fair trade-off for maintaining hair health. If you're someone who changes their hair color frequently or enjoys experimenting, this could be just the ticket. This is perfect for you if you want a simple, effective way to keep your hair looking fresh without spending hours at the salon. Skip this one if you're looking for a permanent solution or have very dark hair that needs significant lightening. Overall, I think it's a solid value at $22, especially for the quality you're getting. Now, if the idea of needing to wash your hair before applying color is a hassle for you, the next product takes a completely different approach. Product number 2, Keracolor Color Plus Clenditioner Espresso. Next up, we have the Keracolor Color Plus Clenditioner in Espresso, also priced at $22. Just like the Merlot, this product is a 3-in-1 cleanser, conditioner, and color solution. If you're looking to enhance your dark tones without the commitment of a permanent dye, this is worth considering. The Espresso shade is perfect for those who want to deepen their natural color or cover up any unwanted brassy tones. It uses the same nourishing ingredients, keratin, coconut oil, and jojoba oil, so you know your hair is getting a treat while you color. It's designed to be non-damaging, which is ideal if you're trying to maintain the health of your hair while still achieving that beautiful, glossy look. Now, some users have mentioned that they didn't see much color payoff on their already dark hair. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a bold color change, this may not be the product for you. But if you're using it to maintain color or add richness, it works wonderfully. This is perfect for you if you're looking to enhance your natural color and keep your hair healthy at the same time. Skip this one if you want a vibrant transformation, as it's more of a subtle boost. At $22, it's still a great value for the nourishing aspects it provides. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for creating a vibrant temporary look. Product number 3, Keracolor Color Plus Clenditioner Hot Pink. Up next is the Keracolor Color Plus Clenditioner in Hot Pink, again at $22. This product really caught my attention due to its bold and vibrant shade. If you want to make a statement with your hair color, this is definitely worth a look. The hot pink shade is perfect for those who want to stand out. Just like the other colors in the Keracolor range, this one also features a nourishing formula that includes keratin and jojoba oil, which means you're treating your hair while adding fun color. It's designed for easy application and works well on pre-lightened hair, providing that eye-catching pop without the long-term commitment. However, some users reported that the color can wash out quickly, especially if you wash your hair daily. Here's the thing though, if you're someone who enjoys changing your hair often, a temporary color like this can be refreshing. Just keep in mind you'll have to reapply more frequently. This is perfect for you if you love experimenting with hair colors and want something that's easy to apply. Skip this one if you're looking for something long-lasting. At $22, it's a fun option for a vibrant look. Now, if the idea of a temporary color is quite your style, The next product on my list could be more up your alley. Product number 4, Joico Color Fresh Mask. Next, let's check out the Joico Color Fresh Mask, which is priced at $27.50. This is a color depositing mask that not only refreshes your color but also helps to moisturize your hair. If you've got salon color that needs a boost, this could be a great option. What sets this product apart is its vegan formula enriched with avocado oil. This means you're not just depositing color, you're also giving your hair a hydration boost. It's perfect for all hair types and is free from silicones, so it won't weigh your hair down. Plus, the zero damage claim is a big win if you're cautious about maintenance. However, some reviews noted that the color results weren't as vibrant as expected, especially on darker hair. Here's the thing though, if you're looking for a subtle refresh rather than a bold change, this could be exactly what you need. It's ideal for maintaining your salon fresh look. This is perfect for you if you're looking for a way to keep your color treated while adding moisture. Skip this one if you want a dramatic change in color. At $27.50, it's a good investment for keeping your hair healthy and vibrant. Alright, if you want something that provides both color and nourishment, but in a more concentrated format, the next product may just be the right choice for you. Product number 5, Overtone Semi-Permanent Hair Color Conditioner Espresso. Finally, let's talk about the Overtone Semi-Permanent Hair Color Conditioner in Espresso Brown, priced at $32. This product really shines if you're looking to nourish your hair while adding a rich color. If you want to achieve salon-quality results at home, this is worth checking out. This is a hydrating treatment that not only colors your hair but also restores moisture. It's packed with ingredients like shea butter and coconut oil, which means your hair will feel softer and look shinier after using it. Plus, it's designed for all hair types, making it a flexible choice for anyone wanting to play with color. Some users have mentioned that the application can be a bit messy, which I can agree with. Here's the thing though, if you're willing to put in a little effort, the results are absolutely stunning. The color lasts up to 3-5 weeks, which is decent for a semi-permanent product. This is perfect for you if you want a damage-free way to achieve rich color while moisturizing your hair. Skip this one if you're looking for a quick solution that doesn't require much upkeep, as it does take some time to apply properly. At $32, it's a bit pricier, but the quality and results are definitely worth it. So to quickly recap, we had the Keracolor Color Plus Clenditioner in Merlot, Espresso, and Hot Pink, perfect for those looking for fun and vibrant colors, the Joico Color Fresh Mask for a gentle refresh, and the Overtone Semi-Permanent Conditioner for a nourishing experience. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Keracolor Color Plus Clenditioner in Espresso for its balance of color and care. I recommend avoiding the Joico Color Fresh Mask if you need something more vibrant. I've put all the links in the description below, check them out, and let me know in the comments which one you're going with.